Happy Buddha Jayanti. Okay, Happy Buddha Jayanti to you all. Thank you. We have finished. We have finished. No, today's garbage collection, right? How many bags you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 bags of garbages. We have collected. So now we are here at ASHOKA Stupa, right? And now we are going to clean the premises of ASHOKA Stupa, right? Together we walk, and we will be divided. We are divided into 4 groups, right? 2 girls group, 2 boys group. All right. So we walk in quarter part, 1/4 part. Each group will walk. Okay. We'll assign you. Then we walk together. Okay. So first of all, now I suggest you to get the gloves. You hold one globe, hold it. Oh, one globe. No, this one. Okay. You give one. Fine. And get water also. No, okay. Let the girls also hold the gloves. Right? Okay, everybody wear the gloves. Namuna we're at students in ASHOKA Stupa premises garbage collection. Plastics, bottles, whatsoever. You don't need to take off the leaves. Leaves no need. Plastics only. Plastics, bottle, the plastic leaves like that. No, a lot of things. Okay. Oh, these things only. Yeah, every year you see on the ground a lot still to see. See, under the bushes, a lot of plastics there. So when you start up from one side, come completely cleaning first, all clear. No, just plastics. Okay, paper cups, whatever, they are not thrown, all of them. It should be completely clean. There mustn't be even a small piece of plastic there. Chocolate plastic, all there, you see. Still a lot there. Here you see still a lot, eh? Yes. Eh, girls, small, still a lot. She on the down, a lot there, still there. Otherwise, we don't have enough. Careful. We don't have enough plastics. This way to press. Like this. A lot there, girls. What are you doing there? See? A lot I have seen here, you see. A lot of things here still. Still here, a lot. Look. This side, a lot. Wow. What a pity. Right? People used to eat and waste a lot, right? What a civilization it is. I think you have to press it. Can you press it with your legs? Oh, carefully, slowly. Yeah, take up. Yes, collect. Small pieces. What happened, girls? Huh? Why? You were hungry? You were so hungry, so you bite it?
No.
Then how did it happen? Look, so hungry girls are here.
No, but we are not animals.
Finish here? I don't think so, girls. Yeah, there's still some. Yes, see under the bushes. Mainly under the bushes. It looks clean, but still there are a lot. Yes. I found a lot here. See. But still a lot here. Your department failed. Look, a lot. Girls, done? Okay. So see, the final part we have to, before we conclude, we have to see, no, still to check, no? I think we have to final check. Yeah. I think bottles, no, you have to, yeah, and another one also like that. Yes, girls are pouring. Yeah, it's smelly, right? Be careful, right? But be careful. Don't look on the bottom. Yeah, thank you, girls. Thank you. We have finished. We have finished. No, today's garbage collection, right? How many bags you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 bags of garbages. We have collected. We have collected 9 bags of garbages, right? From class 8, our Namuna Secondary School, nearby this ASHOKA Stupa. We are very glad and blessed because tomorrow is Buddha Jayanti, right?
Yes.
So on the auspicious occasion of Buddha Jayanti, we all have, right, done a good merit cleaning the garbage, and we are blessed today. And we would like to wish everybody happy Buddha Jayanti. Okay, happy Buddha Jayanti to you all. Thank you. Now we are taking this all garbages out. Oh. Yes, skip. Yes. One by one, slowly, okay? Pile up, pile up. Yeah, just pile up there, yes. Down, 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 down. Down, yes, yes, down put. Yes, slowly. Okay. Oh. Okay. Done? Yeah, and yeah, you have to take off your gloves also. Everybody,
Already.
keep your gloves out.
Already.
Gloves. Gloves. Right? Gloves out. And we have to take off this. Yes, done it. Everybody finished? Yes. Now we go to our school. And what we do? We wash our hands. Okay? Let us go. Everybody, listen. Let us go. Okay? We wash our hands in the school. Okay? One room. I will go first and I will take the soap. Okay? Okay. John.
Picture bisa garang. Piti dan star. So na may daw di sa pista.
Your name. Your name. Name. Your name.
Subscribe.
Your name.
One like.
Yes, our miss finally. Now, our students washing their hands with the soap after cleaning. Didi, sound pass the thing, yeah, so we learn. बस Okay, happy Buddha Ganji to you all. Thank you.